തെലങ്കാനയിൽ കൂടുതൽ മേഖലകളിൽ നിക്ഷേപം നടത്താൻ കിറ്റെക്സ് ഗ്രൂപ്പ്. വസ്ത്രവ്യാപാര മേഖലയ്ക്ക് പുറമെ അലൂമിനിയം വ്യവസായം, സുഗന്ധദ്രവ്യ വാണിജ്യം എന്നീ മേഖലകളിലും കിറ്റെക്സ് ഗ്രൂപ്പ് നിക്ഷേപം നടത്തും. പുതിയ നിക്ഷേപ പദ്ധതിയുടെ കാര്യത്തിൽ തെലങ്കാന സർക്കാരുമായി 2 ആഴ്ചയ്ക്കുള്ളിൽ ധാരണാപത്രം ഒപ്പുവയ്ക്കുമെന്ന് കിറ്റെക്സ് ഗ്രൂപ്പ് MD സാബു എം ജേക്കബ് ന്യൂസ് 18നോട് പറഞ്ഞു. തെലങ്കാനയ്ക്ക് പുറമെ ഗുജറാത്ത് അടക്കമുള്ള ചില സംസ്ഥാനങ്ങളിൽ നിക്ഷേപം നടത്താനും പദ്ധതിയുണ്ടെന്നും ന്യൂസ് 18 തെലങ്കാന ബ്യൂറോ ചീഫ് സഞ്ജയ് തിവാരിയുമായുള്ള അഭിമുഖത്തിൽ അദ്ദേഹം പറഞ്ഞു.
We are here with Mr. Sabu Jacob, who is the MD of Kitex Group and who has announced 1,000 crore investment here in Telangana. Sir, many congratulations to you. And you came here in Hyderabad first time and you had planned the investment of 1,000 crore. What is your, what the investment would be and how would it would perform?
Yeah, actually, this is for a textile park we are looking for. And because Andhra, is the good for, all the cotton. So we are trying to utilize that cotton. So our plan is to set up one spinning, knitting and cutting and making garments. That's the plan.
Yeah, which type of garment? Kids garment or?
Yeah, actually we are specialized in infants garments, 0 to 24 months babies. So our plan is to expand the same products in Telangana.
So in principle you are agreed, but no MOU has been signed yet. So what time duration you seek for that?
Today also, we are going to have some more discussions with higher officials, and we are extending our trip. So basically maybe next week our technical team will come over here and other feasibility, all that, we'll do the, final, the area and everything. Then hopefully I think I'll be back within 2 weeks' time to sign the final agreement.
So, in any other segments you are looking for something, for investment or you're looking for it?
Yeah, yesterday, actually we visited the textile park. Today we are going to another place. And of course, yes, because we are looking for different options, not only textiles, spices, aluminium, different industry. So we are a group of different products. So that's why we are here for the whole day, and we'll decide later.
Sir, you were earlier you were the Kerala-based company. Mm-hmm. Now you roll back your investment in Kerala, and now you're coming to Telangana. What is the exact reason why you had roll back from Kerala? What do you?
See, actually we started in 1968. It's a 53 years old company, and almost 15,000 people working in our different groups. Almost 7 products. But I can say fortunately or unfortunately, Kerala, a lot of problems, political issues, bureaucratical issues. So we think this is a time to move out. So we are searching for the places, different states, options. And what we found, Telangana government and especially the minister, industries minister, he is very dynamic, aggressive. So that's why, we are here now.
Sir, some media reports are there that because of the CSR 2020 has contest in this Ernakulam election, assembly election. That's why this conflict has arisen. What do you think?
No. See, we had problems, several years. We had problems in 73, 77, 88, 93, 99, 2001. This is a regular affairs in Kerala. It's nothing special, now.
Don't you find, the industry, because of the Kitex, it's a big group. When they announced to roll back, it is a great setback for Kerala in that regard.
Yeah, what I can say about that, because I'm sorry about Keralites, because my father, started this business just to give the employment, basically, to Keralites. But unfortunately, I can say the situation is not good. So there's no any other option for us. So we have decided.
You said situation is not good, but the CM said that they are the industrial friendly government they have, and a lot of industry people, I mean the businessmen like to invest here in Kerala. Then you are saying that there's some problem is there.
See, anyone can talk, but the reality is different. Even the industries minister in Kerala, he talks every day. This is the best place to invest. Now, till last year, we were, I think, number 18, and now it is 28. So that shows, the reality. And of course, the Telangana is number 1. So that's why, our first choice was Telangana.
So many representative, what we had heard that so many representative of different states had tried to get you invest in their states, from Madhya Pradesh, from Maharashtra, from Andhra Pradesh, and other states, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Are you have any plan to, looking towards those states also? Or you find that you reach your destination now, there is no need to?
Whatever we confirmed yesterday is confirmed. So we are not going to change. But of course, this is a huge project, 3,500 crores project. So we are looking for some other state also.
Thank you very much, sir. So he is Mr. Sabu Jacob, who told that not only in cotton industry, textile industry, but he is looking something else here in Hyderabad and Telangana, and maybe the investment process. Yesterday they announced 1,000 crore investment, but maybe that investment the figure would go uprise. With cameraman Naveen, this is Sanjay Tiwari, News 18, Hyderabad.